Hello everyone, for today's video we are going to Sora.com and this is going to be a very beginner video. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to get here and how to use this AI video model. As you can see, as soon as you go onto Sora.com, there's a feed. It's the explore page, kind of like Instagram or TikTok, where you can see everybody else's creations. I particularly like this because it kind of gives you an idea of what you can do, or, it gives you ideas of what you could throw into your own videos. So feel free to check that out. You could honestly end up doom scrolling on that for a while. I'm going to go to my part of the profile. This is very easy, guys. You just sign up with your email and your name. I'm going to skip that part. It's just a very basic sign up. And as you can see down here, right where my mouse is spinning, it says describe your video. So this is very cool, very simple. What I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to show you some things that I created. I'm going to click on this caveman, this one I particularly like. As you can see in the top, I'll play that video for you very shortly. But at the top, this is all I typed in, was caveman in the wild holding camera, vlogging style, saying, guys, I know I'm a caveman, but you need to subscribe to AI Wise Guy. He makes AI so easy, I can do it. So here's the video and you can check it out.
Guys, I know I'm a caveman, but you need to subscribe to AI Wise Guy. He makes AI so easy, even I can do it. Hit that button, ding the little bell, and let's get smarter together. If I can figure it out, so can you.
Alright guys, how cool was that? Super simple video created by just typing that very easy prompt. This is going to be great for people, kind of like how I'm using it as well. Just use it for YouTube shorts. It's a great way to get people to go to your page and check it out. So feel free to use it for, just getting everyday content, being super creative for it, or, use it as your own little ads. All right, I am now going to go back. And one thing I wanted to show you down here. So as you can see, everything has been super straightforward. If you were afraid to start using it, I know I was for a while. It's very easy and it's actually very addicting. So you go down to the bottom. And I wanted to show you what this plus symbol does, because you can add your own image. So I'm going to add my logo, the AI Wise Guy. Perfect. This is my guy. All right. And let's type in something fun like have this logo on Times Square screens. Actually, I'm going to put have this logo on all of the Times Square screens. Make it feel like the end of days with the screens sparking and damaging the streets everywhere. Then have a crowd look at the screen with tears of joy as a voiceover says, have no fear, AI Wise Guy is here. Alright, so that was just something I was coming up with on the spot. Hope that didn't drag out too long for you. But you're going to be able to see how you can incorporate your own images into these videos. So let's click send, create video, and let's see what it comes up with.
AI Wise Guy is here.
As you can see, guys, the video came out really cool. Just go have fun with it, If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Also, please feel free to subscribe. My goal is to make AI easier for everyone, and there will be weekly AI content. Much love.